Actually, I will come from Gauri Vidyut. Today I visit a superstar students and parents, a group of one particular institution established for educational purpose and also motivate the students of especially youths, and also how the youths are model to the society and also they are become a model to the parents also. But actually at present a number of youths they are wasting their time in front of TVs or mobile phones and chatting with other peoples, many other things. But it is the best platform to use and also they expose their knowledge, their talent and also how to earn and also how to become a self-sufficient and also their model to their family and also the other students. Okay, thank you so much.